So OneEleven is really an evolution of my passion for skateboarding, design, and woodworking. I saved all my old boards as a kid, never thrown them away. They just all had some sort of unspoken value, something more that I don't know, I just couldn't get rid of them. It wasn't until years later when I found an interest in art that I really started reusing these boards. I found it fascinating how everyday objects and normal materials could be used differently. They could be used, as art, for art, with art. I really started to make some sculptural projects with these boards, and then as time went on, I was gifted my first lathe, which really set me on the course for woodworking. Woodworking kind of became a big focus of mine, even though I was going to school for other things. I continued to develop and nurture the idea of how to really repurpose and reuse these boards. Although I really liked doing the sculpture stuff, I wanted to find a way to use really like all of the scraps and all the little pieces of the board. Most people don't know that a skateboard is made of 7 plies of maple veneers. The companies then dye all these veneers to whatever they choose to do so you get all these random layers of colors, and it's kind of really fun to play around with. Trying to find a way to still use all these in a different, meaningful way, I stumbled across jewelry, and that really allowed me to make use of all these colors of layers and really breathe new life into the boards. From there on, I continued to explore jewelry, and ring making was a big part of that. Although the skateboards themselves were nice and beautiful, I wanted to make sure I had quality products that were long-lasting and really durable. This led me to start pairing them with high-grade materials like carbon fiber, stainless steel, silver, and really higher-end stuff to continue on that journey to create quality products. OneEleven continues to evolve, and I continue to explore different materials along with these boards and continue to explore design and really make sure that my products are not only unique and creative but also long-lasting and to the highest handmade quality that I can produce. My name is Mike Ludwig, and I am the owner and creator of OneEleven Goods.